Casper's Auto Adventures.
Bearings, which are tapered or multi-purpose bearings. 21 millimeter on this one. I'm gonna get the tire off. Take off your dust cap here. There we go, that's off. So bend this downward. If so, so be it. Here we go. Clean. I am gonna attempt to clean off all this. Get the castle nut. I'm gonna go and clean all that up. R13. They're all back. They're arguing. Dude's a little the driver of this truck is a little special needs. I'm not going to criticize that. I know people that are. Alright. Kind of bend these out. It's not going to hurt anything. They're being replaced. Yeah. There we go. That's better. There we go. That's off. Watch our ABS wire.
Who's the other one?
Set the caliper up there. 27 millimeter on this one. Craftsman. Gotta zip it off there. There we go. Get your that's gonna be stuck. Figures. Never seen a washer and hard to come off. Jeez. That's what irritates me. Something so small and simple. Let's get the rotor off. The rotor's fine on this one. I think it's still got the inner seal. What I wanted. Alright, that's clean. Spray down brake clean. I didn't know how it was going to do. I'm glad I took a chance with that one. Alright. Alright. Up on the inside, got a little rough spot in there, probably factory spec. Get that done. All right. This is the inner bearing, a little over greased, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. If you want to leave a critical comment, you're welcome to. Gonna get the seal in. And dump it like that. Alright. There we go. There we go. Seal is sealed on the inside real quick. Get in debris. Then slide the rotor on. Seal and all that intact. I gotta get that piece of hardware out of there. Alright. That's on it. Do your outer. Somebody probably gonna say, why didn't you put the hardware on first? I don't know. I'm gonna get scolded by you guys for not using the new races. Every race that I've came across is not bad. The bearings, people want me to replace those all day long. I've never had a customer once, even the experienced ones that's done this in the past, they just want to test me. I've never had them say I've never had anybody question my I said I was a mechanic. I didn't say I was perfect. Alright, the bearing's in there. Done. I'm gonna spray down that rotor. Get the washer on that. Maybe I'm gonna have to fight this thing. I gotta feel it. Let me see the socket. There we go. It's on there. Good. Alright, so get the yeah, it'll go on. Yeah, we're good. There we go. Turns freely the way I wanted it to. Get the castle nut on here. I'm going to position that differently. I don't like that. There we go. Now I can get the center dust cap back on. There we go. Do the hardware now. is the outer pad. Set that down there for a second. Alright, there's your in. I'm gonna try to get it going now. Just kind of threw itself at me there. Oh, I got a spark off of that one. Alright. There's that in here. Let me clean those off. Yeah, much better. That's not in. Alright, that's cock-outed. There we go.